Hello you lovely jubblies, welcome back to another video. I have to apologize for the hiatus in content. Life just got away with me. Days turned into weeks and weeks turned into months, you know how it is. But anyway, today we have a lovely recipe for you. Chicken katsu curry. Oh my goodness me, this is delicious. I love katsu curry. Whenever I buy katsu curry from a supermarket, I'm always looking for the flavor that I get from this recipe, and I can never ever get it because this just hits every single spot. It's lovely. As always, the list of ingredients will be down below. Please enjoy. I hope you're having a wonderful day whenever you see this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's absolutely free and it really helps. So guys, thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Get your 2 onions, peel them and chop them. Get your carrots, peel them and chop them. Your apple, chop it up, get the core out. You don't need that. Once all your veggies are peeled and chopped, heat the oil up, get them in the pan. Brush in your garlic cloves. Add in 2 tablespoons of spelt flour. If you don't have that, just use normal flour. I'm pretty sure it will make 0 difference. Add 4 tablespoons of curry powder. Add in 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. I've got hard compressed coconut. You can add normal coconut milk, however you like to do it, whatever you've got. Put it in there. 2 teaspoons of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Teaspoons of soy sauce. Also, I'm really sorry about the autofocus on this camera. It just, man, drives me nuts. It just constantly is blurry, unblurry, blurry, blurry. So yeah, I apologize for the autofocus on that. Also, add 600 ml of chicken stock. Once you've added all those ingredients to the pot, just leave it on a medium heat until the sauce is nice and thick and the apples and carrots are soft. From that point, I do apologise, I completely forgot to get footage of it, but what you can do, if you don't want the lumps and bumps in the sauce, I personally like it, but if you don't, you can strain the sauce and yeah, just put it through a sieve, make sure you get it all out, then you'll have a nice smooth sauce for your chicken. So what you want to do for your chicken is get your chicken breast and just cut it into little strips. In one bowl, put some flour, season it with salt and pepper. In another bowl, add your eggs, give them a whip. In a third bowl, you need your breadcrumbs of your choice. So you get your chicken, you cover it in the flour, then you dip it in the eggs, and then you dip it in the breadcrumbs. I highly suggest use one hand for the flour and eggs and the other hand for the breadcrumbs. Otherwise, you're going to end up with a hand caked in breadcrumbs and egg and flour, and it can get a bit of a nightmare. So try and keep your hands separate for that. Heat your oil in the pan. When your chicken is ready, just get it in there, fry it both sides until it's nice and golden. In the meantime, you can cook your rice however you like your rice. You can use whatever rice you like, plain rice, jasmine rice, coconut rice, might be a bit much, but you can use that if you want to. And then once that's done, and voila, you are ready to serve your rice, your crispy fried chicken, and your beautiful katsu curry sauce. You can make this in advance, make a big batch of it, and store it. You can even freeze it, make a big batch of the sauce, and just freeze it, and then it's there for your pleasure. Whenever you want it, you take it out, defrost it. Bob's your uncle. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very, very much. And again, I'm sorry for the lack of videos. I hope to get more out in the future. But yeah, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.